Facebook Reels option not showing. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Reels option not showing easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to apps. Now as you can see on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook and click on it, and here on this page click on the data usage and make sure to disable all those options and enable them again. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all the app permissions are enabled. Go back and now click on this force stop or stop running the app. Click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store and update your Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe.